Today we are going to cover the most frequently asked questions asked by customers when they are looking to buy a magnetic door screen. The questions we are going to cover in today's video are:
How do magnetic door screens work?
Are magnetic door screens easy to install?
What kind of doors are magnetic screens compatible with?
Can magnetic door screens keep out bugs?
Can magnetic door screens be easily removed?
Before we begin, if you are watching this video on YouTube, you will find the link of the product in the description of this video, so you can check out the latest pricing and availability in your country. So let's get started.
How do magnetic door screens work?
Magnetic door screens are designed to attach to the door frame using adhesive Velcro strips. The screen is held in place by Velcro, which is stitched along the three edges of the screen. The screen has an opening down the middle which comes together and seals with magnets that are sewn into the two openings seam. When the door opening is magnetically sealed, the door keeps bugs out while allowing fresh air to flow through.
Are magnetic door screens easy to install?
Yes, magnetic door screens are typically very easy to install and require no special tools or skills. Magnetic screens come with self-adhesive strips or Velcro that can be attached to the door frame, making installation a quick and easy process.
What kind of doors are magnetic screens compatible with?
Magnetic door screens are compatible with a wide range of door sizes and types, including single and double doors, sliding doors, and French doors, and even garage doors.
Can magnetic door screens keep out bugs?
Yes, magnetic door screens are designed to keep out mosquitoes, flies, and other insects while still allowing fresh air to flow through. Look for screens with a tight mesh weave that can block out even the smallest insects.
Can magnetic door screens be easily removed?
Yes, magnetic door screens can be easily removed for cleaning or storage. The screens can be easily detached from the door frame and washed in the washing machine or by hand. If you are interested in buying this product online, take advantage of the current sale and order today for fast delivery and shipping direct to your door. If you have any questions about this product, go ahead and drop those in the comments below or send us an email. The customer support team will answer your email inquiry within 24 hours. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please do us a small favor and hit that like button ve subscribe to the channel. In doing so, you will always be the first to know when we have new content drop. On behalf of the whole team, we look forward to providing you excellent customer service when you are ready to order.